Hi, I'm Zap Zach here, and today we're wiring fire alarm systems using some 14 2-gauge wire. You can also use low voltage wire. Right now, where we're coming out of our panel with a 15 amp circuit coming up with MC, we got a service loop up there to an 8S box. From our box, we're running conduit all the way over, up to our first smoke alarm. Mind your ears. So this is it's a parallel circuit. So what happens, well rather, these are just connected via a hot and a neutral. If they wanted to be sequential, so when one alarm would go off and the others would proceed, we would be wiring the red common carrier line with them all the way through. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 smoke detectors running along all these bays with various conduit bends through half-inch PMC and strapped accordingly to code. That's again, it's our fire alarm video here. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions. Make sure to like and subscribe. Please follow me on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Zap Zach.